Morning everyone, in from DIY Home and Gardening, Friday 10th of October. Just about to head up to the allotment with a load of these, well, nearly dropped them, these elephant garlic. So it's time for setting up and doing the planting of these. So let's grab my stuff and we'll head up. Right, so I've got my tray of elephant garlic, and you got things like that and these, which are 1 year garlics or rounds, which I've already planted a few, as in this row, and I've got this lot to go, setting them out at 20 centimetre spacings and then planting 4 inches in depth. And then what I'm going to do is I'll follow on with these ones, which will then be split down into the individual cloves. So these are the 2-year-old bulb plant, if you like. So it goes from being round in year 1 to then developing further still into these, which have the enormous size, but the size is formed from all of these individual cloves like so. So yeah, time to get a load of planting done. So just over the halfway stage, done 6 rows, these last 4 to go, and that gives me 10 rows in total of the elephant garlic. 5 bulbs per row, so 50 bulbs in total, or cloves, with that lot left to take home to eat. And yeah, it's quite a quick process really, but you can see that, yeah, just using my trusty piece of wood really helps with getting the spacing nice and accurate. And yeah, obviously just dig them down, get those in and then labelled. And what I've done here is I've just do my individual labels. So that is for the elephant rounds, which are these rows here, these 3 rows, because they'll be the rows that end up getting lifted next July, whereas this lot will continue to grow for the subsequent year. So yeah, let's get the last few bits in. You notice that they're going into the sort of manure compost mixture, so that will break down quite nicely, give them plenty of nutrients as they want to get going come springtime. Also, it makes it nice and free draining. Okay, and all that remains, just to stick the label in, push it right down so that nothing pulls the label out, so I'm not sure where I'm at. And yeah, elephant garlic planted, as it's been quite dry, and you can see that it's pretty dry. I will give this area a bit of a drink, not going too crazy, but just to get a bit of moisture into that top section, and essentially leave it to do its thing. So that's it, really quick video on how I plant my elephant garlic. If you've got any questions, then obviously send the questions to me. I'll do my best as always to answer those questions for you. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos. And above all else, I always say it, but just have fun, enjoy yourself, and perhaps do some elephant garlic as that's something new, because it is bloody amazing. So till next time, bye for now.